Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. I'm really well and I hope the same with you there. This is Gowthami. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is all about 5 tips that I am going to give you, and if you follow these tips, I can guarantee you that you will definitely improve your English speaking skills. So without any ado, let's get started. The first thing that I would suggest you to do is to start believing in yourself that you will be able to speak fluent English and you can make it. Okay? If you believe in yourself that you can do something, then you will definitely achieve it. Your subconscious mind, your heart, and your soul are going to help you to achieve your goal if you believe in something, right? So, the first thing that you need to do is that you need to believe wholeheartedly that you can speak English fluently. Okay? The second thing that is going to help you to learn English easily is to read. Okay? This is something that is neglected nowadays. After coming or entering into the smartphone era, we have almost forgotten reading. But believe me, reading brings a lot of curiosity into you to learn this particular language, because while reading you will have ample time to understand that particular point, right? So try to read whatever you are interested in, and make sure that you are choosing the correct simple books at the initial stages, and you need to go on increasing the toughness of the subject. I recommend you to read newspaper also. Okay, I don't think nowadays many of them may be reading newspapers unless you are preparing for competitive exams. But even if you are not preparing, try to read newspapers, English newspapers particularly, so that you will actually improve your English without knowing. Okay, the third thing that you need to do is to listen. Okay, early in the morning when you wake up, make it a habit to listen something in English. It may be either a podcast, or try to make it a habit to watch one video a day. Okay, so that you are actually starting your day with this language, and for the rest of the day you are going to think about this language. I am telling you to watch English video right at the beginning of your day, because whatever thing that you do, whatever thing that you hear in the morning hours immediately after you wake up is going to resist in your mind for a long time. So repeat the same video for about 3 to 4 days, but at the fourth day you will actually able to speak about that particular topic, and words will actually come to you even before you are hearing that particular word or sentence. Okay, this is one kind of practice so that you will be able to learn English easily without taking any stress. Try to listen a 5 minute video at the initial stages and go on increasing the length of the video. The next thing that you can do is to write. I don't know how many of you are holding a pen nowadays and writing on the paper, but this is a very great habit. Believe me or not, instead of typing on a computer or using your phone, try to hold a pen and write it on the paper. Try to put your thoughts on a paper. Then you will find a lot of difference. You will obviously feel very happy. Just try it. You should not underestimate the power of writing. If you read something that is written in your own handwriting, you are actually going to remember it for a long time. And I heard somewhere that if you read something in your own handwriting, your mind accepts it very easily, and it is going to be inserted into your brain very easily, and stored in your memory for a very long time. So try to write, okay? Whatever you want to write, try to write in English. It may be a to-do list, or it may be a grocery list, or it may be a poem, or you may write a short story, or you may write whatever you have read just that particular day, or you can write about how you spent your whole day, how was your day today, or you can write about a person you like the most. Okay, there are so many options. Try to write, try to put down your thoughts with a pen on paper. The last and final thing that you need to do is that start speaking. Okay, even if you do all the above 4 activities, if you are not actually opening your mouth and speaking out, then you will not be able to overcome that fear of speaking in this particular language called English. So try to start speaking. Okay, find opportunities to speak. If you are an employee or if you are working, try to speak few English words at the initial stages with your colleagues. They may laugh at the initial stages, and some may mock you, and some may criticize you, or some may make you feel shame that you are speaking English. But if you know that your priority is to learn English, then keep all these aside and start speaking English. Okay, we can't judge. There may be some people who may be knowing that you are passionate about learning English, and they may help you in this English learning journey, right? So let them know that you are in this process of learning English, and if they are kind, they will help you, and if they don't help you, it's okay. You will be able to achieve your goal only if you start speaking English. So these are the 5 things that you need to do from today itself. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members, and if not, let me know the reason. And not only that, consider subscribing this channel if you like this video. Thank you so much for joining me till the end. See you soon in the next video.